Pushkar Shrote, Ms. Mukta Barve, Mr. Rao, Murli Chatwani ji, and of course the host, MD NMDC Sri Prakash Makdumji. Welcome.
हाय नमस्कार, एब्सोल्युटली एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि कोइंसिडेंटली आज महाराष्ट्र में भी हमारी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो हम आधी टीम यहाँ पे है, आधी टीम वहाँ पे है और ऑलरेडी ऑडियंसेस के रिव्यूज आ चुके हैं, लेकिन यहाँ जो डायरेक्टर छोड़ के बाकी सब जो लोग हैं वो भी पहली बार फिल्म देखने वाले हैं, तो वी आर इक्वली एक्साइटेड. थैंक यू ईफी.
Thank you so much, Ify, for inviting us and giving us this wonderful opportunity to present our film here. And we are very fortunate that असंभव ये फिल्म इसका पहला रेड कार्पेट पहली बार यहाँ पे प्रीमियर हो रहा है. पहली फिल्म ईफी में प्रीमियर होने का सम्मान ईफी ने हमें दिया. ये असंभव के लिए, पूरे महाराष्ट्र के लिए, हर इंडस्ट्री के हमारे जितने इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं सारे लोगों के लिए बहुत बहुत फख्र की बात है. हम तहे दिल से आप सबका शुक्रिया करते हैं. ईफी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया देते हैं, शुक्रगुजार है कि हमें इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया से फिल्म मेकर्स आए. इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बढ़िया फिल्में हैं वहाँ पे. आपने हमें इतनी अच्छी तरह सराहा और हमारी पूरी टीम को इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने का मौका दिया. वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल. थैंक यू सो मच ईफी. खूप आनंद होतो आहे. आज ईफीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती असंभव या आमच्या चित्रपटाचा जागतिक प्रीमियर होतो आहे. पहिला प्रीमियर सादर होण्याचा मान असंभव या टीमला मिळाला आहे. संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्रासाठी अतिशय आनंदाची गोष्ट आहे. वी आर व्हेरी फॉर्च्युनेट अँड वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी. आम्ही ईफीचे मनापासून आभार मानतो की आज आम्हाला या रेड कार्पेटवरून त्यांनी पहिला चित्रपट ते या फेस्टिवलची सुरुवात असंभव या चित्रपटापासून करत आहेत. हा अतिशय भाग्याचा क्षण आहे संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्रासाठी, महाराष्ट्रातल्या संपूर्ण तमाम चित्रपटप्रेमींसाठी आणि सगळ्या प्रेक्षकांसाठी आणि आमच्या संपूर्ण आणि असंभवच्या टीमसाठी. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्रातील संपूर्ण जग असंभव हा चित्रपट आजच प्रदर्शित झाला आहे. त्यामुळे इतका जिकडे आपल्या चित्रपटाचा सन्मान केला जातो तसाच महाराष्ट्रातही संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्रात चित्रपट हाऊसफुल चालला आहे. त्यासाठी महाराष्ट्राच्या तमाम रसिक प्रेक्षकांच्या मनापासून
Most special thing about Goa?
गोवा में आना तो बहुत ही मज़ेदार होता है हमेशा, बट इस बार इफ़ी मेरे लिए फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है. और गोवा का कल्चर, और नॉट ओनली गोवा का कल्चर, गोवा का फूड, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है यहाँ पे. और यहाँ पे आने के बाद, ईफी में आने के बाद बहुत सारे प्रांतों से यहाँ पे लोग आए हुए हैं. उनका जो प्रेजेंटेशंस यहाँ पे हम लोग कल से देख रहे हैं, जो परेड फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे की गई वो बहुत अच्छी थी. सो सबसे ज़्यादा थैंक यू मैं गोवा के गवर्नमेंट को देना चाहूँगी क्योंकि उन्होंने इतने अच्छी तरह से ये मैनेज किया है. सो रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा. सो थैंक यू.
ईफी में आने की मेरी ये चौथी या पाँचवीं बारी है. लेकिन पिछली बार जब आया था तो उस फिल्म में मैं काम कर रहा था. इस फिल्म में मैं को-डायरेक्टर हूँ. तो मैं और सचिन और नितिन, हम तीनों ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को देखा है. बाकी सारी टीम पहली बार देखने वाली है, देखने जा रही है. तो हमें उनकी एक्साइटमेंट देख के हमें भी मज़ा आ रहा है. और 3 सालों की जो मेहनत है उनसे कल्मिनेशन मिलता हुआ है ये दिखाई दे रहा है. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इसी के प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये सब हो रहा है. तो देव बरे करो.
मूवी जो असा शॉर्ट फिल्म ताज्या ओपनिंग हळद फिल्म ताज्या ओपनिंगाक हांगा हजर आयला. ऑल टुगेदर 5 शॉर्ट फिल्म जे स्क्रीन जाता. तो सगळ्या डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्युसर्स आनी सगळे क्रू तांकां म्हजे बेस्ट विशीस.
सर चड मूवी ना म्हणून लोकांचो आरोप आसा ह्या फावट.
And before we start the screening,
And within 24 hours, our film was houseful, and it made me feel overwhelmed. And back in 2022, when I came up with this story, It was just another stories, the multiple stories that Goa and its corners have. And I kept it, thinking that someday when I will be ready for it, I will make it. But then I thought, you know what, we artists, we always learn, we always try for more. And so, however, I just go for it and try my hands at it. And that's when we ended up making it. And with the help of this amazing team who were ready to grow, ready to learn, and together. So yeah, and with this film, I didn't want to stand at the top of some list or some recognition. I just wanted to contribute to our Konkani language and our Konkani film community, and having it opening this category is a big thing for me because it's an international platform and not something that I can not be proud about. It's an amazing feeling. I'm really nervous and grateful. And thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming.
Devar Guru, thank you very much. A big round of applause for the whole cast and crew, starting with Shobita Kurtadkar, the director of the film that you are just going to watch, Harat. Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and Ma'am Delilah Lobo, the Vice Chairperson of the Entertainment Society. Then please. Let's start with Shobita Kurtadkar, the director of the film. It's a very proud moment to see such young talent, and this is, if I'm not wrong, her third short film. I've seen at least 2 of them before, so I'm guessing this is the third one. And to the others, please, Devika Redkar, Sampan Sel, Dr. Krishnanath Sansgiri, Kanak Bakre, Venkatesh Lagji, Gitesh Gawas, thank you. And we also have the jury members that decided on these 5 films, and I would like to welcome them as well and have a big round of applause. Starting with the jury chairperson, we have Mr. P. Sheshadri with us, a 9-time National Award winner, of which 8 National Award came consecutively. We'd like to welcome Mr. Sheshadri. We also have Priya Krishna Swamy with us, one of the jury members. She's also a National Award winner for a documentary called The Eye of the Fish. And we also have Mr. Rajiv Bhatia, a very well-known filmmaker from Haryana, whose film Pagdi won 2 national awards. So I'm sure it was a tough job for the jury to decide, but I'm sure they did their best. And before we start the screening, I would like Shobita to please say a few words.
Firstly, thank you so much for having us here. It's an honor, and this is my first time. I'm sure they've all. I think Sir has been here a million times, and I've always wanted to be part of a film that is going to be screened here in this prestigious place. But I didn't know it was going to be Amaran because, in a lot of ways, I think that I wanted this film to work for director Rajkumar Sir's vision because he had a very pure thought in his mind, and I gave it my all. And I'm a Tamilian, but I play a Malayali. And his duty was to make sure that there was one population of people in Tamil Nadu to feel bad for a girl who's come from Kerala and then she leads a certain life. So the journey has been quite traumatizing for me as I played it. But in the other side, I think the film also shows the life of the people at home who wait for their husbands to return, their fathers to return. And he's showed it in such a beautiful form where you're not only able to empathize, but you also start to it's a very bittersweet moment where you know that you've lost your son, husband or wife, or husband or father to protecting the nation, but still you've lost your family. So it was that thin thread that we were trying to achieve, where we're also trying to show that We have a soldier who's working for a lot more families who are back there, but there's a family who loves the soldier so much, the husband so much, that they let them go and get what they want. So that is the kind of a bittersweet moment that we were trying to capture. So at the end of the movie, if you're able to feel a lot of joy, pain, patriotism, and a lot of guilt, I think that is what I felt when I heard the script, and that is what I was aiming to get at. So this is a very, very surreal moment and a very beautiful journey for me. And I'm happy that it's led me here and amongst all of you gay people. And thank you to the jury. You must have watched so many movies and you still found this precious. So thank you so much. And thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai, and best wishes to the entire team. Okay, raise your hands, everyone. Okay, quickly your thought and start with the movie. You and Sai.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Amaran actually got released for one of the biggest festival of our country, for Diwali, and now it is getting screened in another bigger festival in Panorama. So thank you juries for selecting this film, and I'm very happy for my director because he worked for this film for more than 4 or 5 years, I think, and he deserves this stage. And I'm very happy that we are accompanying him. And Kamal sir, he said like sometimes he comes to this side, but he has seen so many stages, so many awards, and now he is bringing all of us here and making us see how this looks. This celebration and this appreciation, this is like very meaningful, sir, and I'm always thankful to you for this film and for this opportunity. And as director said, this film is a tribute to all the soldiers who gave their life to the country and also working really hard in the border. So this film is a tribute to them. And I always, the one thing that struck to me when I heard the script was sacrifice is the ultimate heroism. And Major Mukund sir, to his family, thanks to their family. And once again, thanks everyone. Please watch this film, and I'm sure you will also give a tribute to the soldiers of our country. Jai Hind.
Fantastic. So sacrifice is the ultimate hero.
They are the real heroes.
Yes.
And sacrifice is the ultimate heroism.
Heroism. Sacrifice is the ultimate heroism. On that thought, that was the first thought that came. What's behind this?
Thank you. I always belong that side. For the past 45 of these 50 years, I've been happy to be on that side of the screen. And sometimes I manage to come to this stage. And my friend Shekhar Ji, whose feet I did not touch today, because I didn't want to expose his age or mine. Anyway, this film we made because we've been trying to make films about our army, security services, secret services, and slowly we are improving the quality of the films that we are making. But we are proud to make films about brothers and sons we have lent to the army, and they have gone with their life as collateral for this country. So I'll make many more films on my soldiers, my brothers, and my country. Thank you.
Fantastic. Give it up for Kamal Hassan, ladies and gentlemen.
Attack, and after that the film crews are not going to Kashmir. So what would be your message to the film crews? Like, should they be going to Kashmir or not?
I have just come from Kashmir. I was there on a holiday. I think that they should all go to Kashmir. Without doubting it, I have just been there myself. But today we will talk about what 1942 A Love Story will also do to overall how the country will react to it. I think we should stick to this one, but I have answered your question.
Sir, the 1942 movie stood the test of time, and it is the 1942 Love Story movie stood the test of time and is rooted in strong emotions. So this time it's being premiered in IFFI, which brings a lot of diverse and global audience, so not just nationals, right? So what kind of feedback or reactions do you expect from non-nationals who will be watching this movie for the first time?
See, we already have a crazy reaction from Italy where he was, where they saw the film. They compared it to the greatest classics of the world. I mean, people who restored the film talked of Gone with the Wind, talked of Dr. Zhivago when they were doing 1942. So hopefully we will get similar reaction.
Because already seen the previous movies that have been made, there was a time, and why 1942 Love Story remains so timeless and classic is because of the story, of the music, and the great performances. Why do you think we don't see romantic movies being made in a way where we not make love story and maybe the other romantic classic movies were back then?
See, I think the romance is kind of gone out of our life. We've become too commercial. Everybody is thinking of money and moving on, and number of hits. That is the worst. In my opinion, it's a poison that I wish that we can somehow. It's like you do something nice and you get 10 hits, and you say 10 hits, but it's great what you did, and then you do something shit and it gets 1 million hits. You say I got 1 million hits. So it's not about the quality of your work anymore. So I hope when people see 1942 A Love Story and go back 35 years, they realize that it's all about chasing excellence, which I said in 3 Idiots. You chase excellence, success will follow.
So the industry is just following the trends and going.
It's not the industry, it's everyone. Everyone. It's like you're talking to me now. If this interview gets 2 hits, you say, "Arey yaar, Vinod ka koi sunte." He gets 1 million hits. Arey yaar, Vinod Chopra is a big hit. Why? Because so it's stopped. I have to tell.
जब मुझे विनोद जी ने कहानी सुनाई थी, I remember I had shooting in, I was just telling him outside, we were shooting in धर्मशाला. मुझे पैराटाइफाइड था, तो मैंने कहा कि पैराटाइफाइड है, कहता कल एक्टिंग करेगा ठीक हो जाएगा. and then he was right. And आज भी बहुत कम फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिनको बहुत सालों बाद देखें तो रोंगटे खड़े कर देती हैं. जैसे एक सामने जी ने बहुत अच्छा to mix Desh Prem with love story, I think is a very unique factor of it. And also the songs are eternal. It's unbelievable how Devaran gave the music without any techno music. I think that's fantastic. As love is concerned, love will always be eternal. So that's the thing. उसको अलग-अलग नाम से बुलाया जा सकता है, मगर love की अपनी एक परिभाषा वही रहेगी जो आपके मन में कभी भी जागती है. जो कामना जी हमारी हमको ऐसा लगती है कामना भी नहीं, but it's beautiful. The love we see in your people's face because the reference is 1942 A Love Story. और फिल्म को देख के ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन नहीं होते. Very happy. आप कुछ भी बोलना सर.
One word, yes. One word.
I think this is a great platform to launch in 8K format. अभी हम टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो बदलते टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हमें चलना चाहिए. तो ये जो रिस्टोर हुई है मूवी, both in picture and sound, तो अच्छा सा इम्प्रोवाइज करके that timeless classics we are going to see again. I think this is a better platform.
That's what NMDC does.
Yes.
Sir, can we pass on there?
There is one very important thing I want to say after Prakash ji mentioned something कि हिंदुस्तान के लोगों ने असल में ये फिल्म उस वक्त देखी नहीं. अब आप पूछें क्यों नहीं देखी? ये पहली फिल्म थी हिंदुस्तान की जो डॉल्बी में हुई, और डॉल्बी हिंदुस्तान में मैं ही लाया. और मैं ही लाया था, क्या था ये भी आपको बता दूं. मैंने लंदन में फिल्म मिक्स की थी, योगेश मेरे साथ थे, और वहाँ मिक्स करके हमने उनसे कहा कि डॉल्बी में आप वहाँ पर मोनो थिएटर है, तो उन्होंने कहा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये जो डॉल्बी के 2 हैं ये मोनो थिएटर में चलता है. तो उन्होंने चला के दिखाया तो बराबर चला. मैंने सुना, मैंने बाबा बहुत अच्छा लेके आए. कोई सिनेमा हॉल वाला रेडी नहीं हुआ सर कि डॉल्बी लगा. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट? हमने, जब उनको याद होगा, डॉल्बी मंगाए स्पीकर. मेरे लोगों ने रात को मेट्रो में ताक लगाई, मेट्रो सिनेमा में तारे लगा के, वायर लगा के हमने स्पीकर लगाया. तो मेट्रो में डॉल्बी में बहुत अच्छी फिल्म थी. फिर मैं जयपुर गया तो जयपुर में जब्बू की लाइनें सुनाई नहीं दे रही हैं, बॉम्ब जहाँ से फट रहा है वहाँ से फट रहा है. तो क्योंकि वो साउंड जो डॉल्बी की थी वो मोनो में चली थी. तो इस वक्त मैं समझता हूँ कि पहली बार लोग 1942 इन इट्स रियल जो बनाई थी हमने साउंड, और ये योगेश जो चुप से खड़े हैं, जो बातें कर रहे हैं.
Restored in 8K and the IFFI audience is going to be witnessing it. सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका गोवा में. गोवा में आगे सर कैसा लग रहा है, क्या खास बात है, कोई खाने की चीज या कोई ऐसा बीच जो जैकी श्रॉफ का फेवरेट हो?
क्या
मतलब आपका फेवरेट बीच, खाने की कोई डिश, गोवा की कोई खास याद, कोई खास चीज गोवा के बारे में?
ऐसी कोई यादें आएंगी तो हर रोज जब भी ये आपके साथ बात करना हो जाता है, याद है आपका, याद है भूल जाएंगे, आगे की सोच,
क्या बात,
आगे की
सोच, ठीक है। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं विजू सर। One special thing about Goa, what brings you here and how you feel when you are in this state?
I feel very nice because I'm from Kashmir, so it takes me back a little bit to my where I come from, the greens and the water place.
Anupam sir.
Namaskar. To first of all, it's a great honor to be with Vidhu and Jackie and Kamna ji. To be here after 32 years of the release of 1942 love story and 35 years of when we shot it. And as long as I love the vibrancy of Goa, I love the people of Goa, I love the attitude of relaxation and creativity, and that's why IFFI 2025 is important because it's happening for the last 20 years now in Goa. Congratulations to all of us.
कोई गोवा के खाने के आइटम आपको पसंद है?
अरे रहना, ये प्रोड्यूसर है, इधर आना, अरे इधर कौन है?
और इतना सुंदर जगह है, खुली हुई, हरा, दिल खुश हो जाता है।
बिल्कुल, जब गोवा आते हैं तो हमारा दिल खुश हो जाता है और हमारा दिल बहुत खुश अभी है क्योंकि हम 1942 लव स्टोरी स्क्रीन पर देखने वाले हैं। दादा आप बताइए कि आजकल की जो जनरेशन है जो अपने मोबाइल पे लेफ्ट राइट स्वाइप करके अपने लव इंटरेस्ट को चेंज कर लेती है चुटकी भर में, इस जनरेशन के साथ ये फिल्म कैसे रेजोनेट करेगी?
पहले तो मेरे मालूम नहीं कौन सा जनरेशन की बात कर रहा है, सबको मैं देखा ही सब ऐसे ही है, ये भी ऐसा है, तू भी ऐसा है, सब ऐसा है। तो आजकल वाले को don't blame the youngsters. They are cool as they are. They're gonna love the film because it's got a lot of beautiful spots, lovely songs, great actors, and no choker to head it. What do you need?
Fantastic. See, that's why he's the youngsters and Gen Z's favorite. Vidhu sir, what do you think about this film at this time that would resonate with the audience?
See,
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. And what kind of reaction do you expect for people? I mean, it's obviously released in OTT, so obviously you have a diverse audience range from season 1 and the series is a hit. Is there anything specific that you expect from IFFI 2025?
This is a great place to premiere always. We always come here. I think we were here for the season 2 as well.
Yeah.
So love to be here anytime Goa, anytime IFFI we are here.
Okay, thank you so much.
मनोज जी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि IFFI फेस्टिवल जो है कितना इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकर्स के लिए कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी रहता है आपके हिसाब से?
उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा शोकेसिंग है, छोटे फिल्में होती हैं, जितने भी फेस्टिवल्स हैं उस मामले में छोटी फिल्मों का बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है उनको अपनी फिल्म को लॉन्च करने का, उनको प्रीमियर करने का, शोकेस करने का। तो हमेशा से फेस्टिवल्स और ख़ास करके IFFI फेस्टिवल का इसमें बहुत भारी योगदान रहा है।
मनोज जी कंटेंट की बात की जाए, कंटेंट की बात की जाए अगर तो
मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या।
Your character understood Kashmir very well, better than most Indian cinema films do. So, do you think there is a need for emotional connectivity more than that is displayed in Indian cinema, and OTT platforms can do that in terms of not being just security centric?
What centric?
Security centric. Like most of the
security centric. No, there are many films being made. I don't know. You have seen those films or not? But there is a film like Laila Majnun. You must get back to it, which is shot in Kashmir, and it is talking about the people of Kashmir, right? So similarly, there are many films, many filmmakers coming forward, making their own, creating their own story for the big screen and for OTT. So things are changing very rapidly. We just have to be very, very encouraging and positive about it.
आप तीनों से जानना चाहिए कि कंटेंट की बात की जाए तो आपको लगता है कहीं रीजनल सिनेमा या OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे ज़्यादा अच्छे कंटेंट हो रहे हैं बनस्बत बॉलीवुड के?
सब्जेक्ट अच्छा काम हो रहा है, ऐसा डिपेंड करता है कि अच्छा है, बहुत ही सब्जेक्टिव टर्म है, बट कंटेंट जहाँ भी अच्छा लगता है वो सब अच्छा निकल के आता है।
That's it, and done.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the entire cast and crew of the Family Man Season 3. Yes, what do you want, Hema ji? एक बाइट यहाँ हो जाए. Okay. हेमा जी की बाइट्स की चाहत खत्म ही नहीं होती।
Thank you. Thank you. Please. पीछे
Okay, can we have the mementos presented to them, please? The director of the film. It's a very proud moment to see such young talent, and this is, if I'm not wrong, the third short film. I've seen at least 2 of them before, so I'm guessing this is the third one. And to the others, please, Devika Redkar, Sampan Sen, Dr. Krishnanath Sansgiri, Kanak Bakre, Venkatesh Labji, Hitesh Gavas, Shadri. We also have Priya Krishna Swamy with us, one of the jury members. She's also a national award winner for a documentary called The Eye of the Fish. And we also have Mr. Rajiv Bhatia, a very well-known filmmaker from Haryana, whose film Pagdi won 2 national awards. So I'm sure it was a tough job for the jury to decide, but I'm sure they did their best.
Coming in such a large number, I saw that within 24 hours our film was houseful, and it made me feel overwhelmed. And back in 2022, when I came up with this story, it was just another stories, the multiple stories that Goa and its corners have. And I kept it, thinking that someday when I will be ready for it, I will make it. But then I thought, you know what, we artists, we always learn, we always try for more. And so however, I just go for it and try my hands at it. And that's when we ended up making it. And with the help of this amazing team who were ready to grow, ready to learn, and together. So yeah, and with this film I didn't want to stand at the top of some list or some recognition. I just wanted to contribute to our Konkani language and our Konkani film community, and having it opening this category is a big thing for me, because it's an international platform and not something that I can not be proud about. It's an amazing feeling, and I'm really nervous and grateful. And thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming.
Devara Guru, thank you very much. A big round of applause. Yes, one more picture for posterity. Please come up here. There is Kanak Bakre, Venkatesh Labji, Hitesh Gavas.
Team NFDC, to the entire team of opening feature film Amara, Mahendran and Sri Kamal Hassan.
जहाँ आज से 100 साल पहले 100 years back हमारे वीर क्रांतिकारियों के एक दल ने अंग्रेजों का खजाना लूट लिया था चलती ट्रेन से। वो घटना यदा कदा हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में पढ़ाई जाती है, वी हैव रेड इट। कुछ फिल्मों में भी छोटी तौर पे उसको
She will come later. She will join later.
Sir, what comes in your mind when I say Sadma?
I'm not shocked anymore.
Sir, आपको sir, I'm watching you since my childhood, and when I watch your films today, I still feel that you're still very passionate and very crafted about your work. What still keeps you?
I've been watching myself since my childhood, and I agree with you.
Sir, come on, sir. One message of Amran.
Sir, one bite.
So they want us to come one step forward.
Yeah.
Step ahead, second bit. Yeah.